Survival in reality TV, raising awareness to know how to survive. In recent years, there has been a trend in survival TV shows, such as Man vs. Wild, Dual Survival, Naked and Afraid, and many others that make one ask themselves, could I survive that? Shows like these have brought to light that many people need to know at least some survival skills if they end up in an emergency situation. The airing of so many survival shows has increased the desire for viewers to learn and know survival skills. Whatever show you prefer, let it challenge you to increase your knowledge and skills of survival. You never know when you might need it. Taking this class will help you develop the survival skills needed to make it in a variety of scenarios. Also, it is encouraged to continue to watch your favorite survival shows and ask yourself, could I survive that?